Hello everyone, this is Dr. Bortolotti here today with a quick little lesson on clauses, the independent clause and the dependent clause. The definition of a clause is this. A clause is a group of words comprised of a subject and a verb team, sometimes called a predicate. This group of words can either be a complete sentence or not. For example, it started raining. This is the subject, and then these two words comprise the verb team, sometimes called a predicate, and it is a complete thought. It is a complete sentence, therefore it is an independent clause. Independent. It stands on its own without any dependency on anything for it to make sense. It is a complete sentence. It started raining. A dependent clause is an incomplete sentence because it depends on something else for it to make sense. Take a look at this group of phrases, group of clauses. Since it started raining. Even though this clause has a subject and a verb team, it is an incomplete thought because of this word right here. Same thing in this example and the following examples. As soon as you add a conjunction like this to an independent clause, it turns that independent clause into a dependent clause. You need something else in this group of words for it to be a complete thought. Since it started raining, the game was canceled. Notice what's going on here. These words that I added here can stand alone as an independent clause. Subject, verb team, the predicate. That's a complete thought. That's an independent clause, a complete sentence. As soon as you add a conjunction like this, it changed that independent clause to a dependent clause, and that's why you have to add something else. Here's the whole point of this discussion. You have to know where that comma goes. That comma joins the two clauses. And so when you're typing, it's important to know where that comma goes. And in order to understand where that comma goes, you have to understand the relationship between the dependent and the independent clause. These types of introductory words are the ones that will turn clauses rather, independent clauses into dependent clauses. And there are a lot of them. Just be on the lookout.